Okay guys, today I'm making beats like Azotics. Cool, so it's first of all Serum 2, got this saturator like this. Turn it off. So that's the sound without. Saturate. Let's have a look into the Serum. We've got one analog BD sine random down, and then another that's exactly the same random down. This one's octave 3 plus 7 semitones, and we've got the LFO1, it's on the level. Then we've got LFO1 on the level for the second one as well, a bit lower down. We smoothed it out, we've got the white noise, colour, white, bit of filter, LFO1's on there as well. And then we've got this filter 2 is on high and it's on the noise, okay? So we're cutting out the sub end of the noise. Then if we jump in here, we've got 3 distortion, we've got this overdrive and it's on stack 3. Just a little bit going on here, mix is full on all of them. Next one is soft clip, which I guess it works like a saturator on full. Then we've got also some tube here, and some hyper. Then we finished it off with the comb, okay? So it's not mega simple, but it's not mega basic. Great for DnB, and then that extra great, we could put this sub on as well maybe. Cool. Next one is the AB. This is the B to the A, and the difference is different octaves, +4 instead of +7. But I've got PD from C. This one's the default saw, and it's got a bit of that running through there. Okay, so levels down, PD from C, which is sending this. Cool, so it's slight variation. These basses here now, and it's made from analog, normal sine wave, random down, and it's this one digital FFT as seconds, one of our favourites. And then that's just a stab, but the second one's pretty much the same thing. But we've got the bit of delay, bit of smooth, and it's 140 triplet mode, and it's PD from C, bit of bend on that one, and on the wavetable, and the filter. Cool, and then in the effects I've got this splitter, and just on the highs I've got the tube. I've been wubbing the filter of it, and also wubbing the splitter. Cool, so that one's going. So as for basses, that's pretty simple. Now in this effects section, which you can probably group it all, that makes sense. We've got a break, and I've got this effect here, all running through the delay. Some of it is running through the delay here, 1/6 delay. I've got this open hats, offbeat hats, pink noise here. This pink noise is sidechained to the kick. Don't know if there's any kick there though, but it works for tension and release because you've got that constant tone. And then sort of to silence on beat. But we probably want a bit of effect. Maybe put these. Cool, so we've just got the effects on the snare hit there. It's got the delay on it, so let's give it one more listen from beginning. The hats doubling up, these are faceplant hats again. Just got the random on the decay, sustain and release filter, and it's just the pink noise, a bit of distortion. Cool, and these separate basses, same drums actually. Let's have a look at the drums. These are all from the J Music kit here. It's like a trap kit. My snare. Okay, my snares are made from percussions these days because I'm so bored with the snares. Got this group here. Bit of a break for that bit of realness. And then that kick snare is gated, cut through. Got transient shaper. And the group, got this Saturn clipper on the end, and it's mid-side clipper, this one, mid-side. So we're just clipping the sides. The Saturn looks like this. And then got this saturator. Cool, this project will be in the link below. So I hope this helps somebody.